All right, guys, welcome back to the H&M Racing Channel. Thought I'd do a little update on what we're doing here. So this is Brandy's Rlaarlo AK917 that is entered into the stock class. Now, we won this car from Right Place and Building Velocity. Thank you guys so much. I assembled it. Yesterday was the final deal. I had to center the servo and hook all that up and, set my EPAs and get everything set up. But in doing so, I found something that I thought I want to pass along. So we're going to move the camera here. I'm going to show you. So, I never revved the car to full throttle, but I wanted to bench test it. Now, pay attention to this tire, but notice the other one too. I'll go just a little bit here. Now, that wobble that you see there,
it's kind of hard for them to see, I think.
If you saw that, hopefully you guys saw the wobble. The right rear has got a wobble to it, and I thought, what is going on? Is it the hex? So, no, I changed the hex. No, and then I changed the tire. No, so the wobble. So actually, the rear dog bone is bent, and this car is brand new. Like I say, it happens. Manufacturing. The fronts are CVDs, so we've ordered the rear CVDs, but that kind of a wobble is only going to amplify its speed. In comparison, my Fortec, if I have it here on the table running, it's silky smooth. Everything's just nice and true and straight and all that kind of stuff. So just wanted to let you guys know that just because something's new doesn't mean it's good. She's going to be running the Mamba X8S with a 1412, great motor, as you guys know. I think potential's there for the car to go really fast. Now, it's going to take a while to get there and so forth and so on, but you can't be having that kind of wobbling going on. It's really strange because you have to hold the car up, which I did, and then have somebody else just, move the trigger a little bit so it runs, and it's just a slight bend in it. But it's strange. It's brand new. We were the first people to assemble it. So anyway, I just want to pass that along. If just because you guys buy a car, when you bench test it, we never rev it to full throttle. I just want to make sure that forward was forward and that reverse was reverse and all those things work like that. So other than that, it's ready to go. But thought I'd do a video about it. Make sure you don't have wobbles going on and things like that. The other news is Brandy now has a Typhon. So this is a TLR chassis that I had, and this is my NASCAR truck that almost went into the creek. The chassis is bent on that slightly, so I thought, you know what, let's build her a nice Typhon. So this is carbon splitter. I made this carbon wing for her in the back. This is going to be Mamba X8S with a 2050 Spectrum. So with that combination with my stretch, I've been 129. Being a short wheelbase, they're a little prone to wheelies and so forth and so on, but we will lock out the rear shocks and go from there. Pro Line tires. So should be interesting. I'm gonna be running on 6S, so we'll see. I think our friend Jeff's been 120. So, we'll see how it goes. But I thought, why not for now? I'm going to be getting a new chassis for the truck and things like that. But for now, we'll also have some fun. We have a lot of stuff ready to go. But it snowed today, and now it's sunshine. So it's really one of those messed up days. But I can assure you that we are building cars and preparing. We have some good batteries. So we're looking forward to being able to improve on our PBs and just have some fun. I don't think we'll be running the competition cars until maybe the end of April. We're going to clean the road. We'll do a whole video on that. But we might go out and run something else like a Typhon and a couple other cars. Wholesom's been 65 miles an hour. It now has a Mamba Micro X with a Castle 1007 motor, which is insane. So that's my final attempt. I'm sure it'll be either 70 or a lot more. But what a great truck. So anyway, thought we'd do a little video, show you guys what's going on. But, just want to tell you, make sure, even when you buy a new car, make sure that you check things over and go through it. This car is going to be completely done. The diffs are done. The shocks are done. As you can see, I've got scaled it and put the weight on the front. It's been programmed. I mean, everything is ready to go here. Going to start off on 3S. Well, it's a 3S competition actually, but we might eventually go parallel. But car's great. You know, we got a few spare parts coming. We've been down this road before. You know, I don't think. Hopefully, we won't crash it. We've learned a bit, but.
I don't know about that.
Oh no, we've got a wide road too, though. But you know, we'll be running it the first time. Brandy's not super comfortable with small cars.
I hate the small cars.
Yeah, that's a better way to put it, I guess. So, but you know, start her off at like 60% throttle, and I'll drive it first. But if it works as planned, everything should be nice and straight. There shouldn't be any issues driving it from the things that we've learned. The droop is set. And if she's comfortable, then she can work her way up to full throttle, and we'll go from there. But anyway, that's our little update video. So believe me, we're going to run as soon as we can, guys. We're just waiting for weather. So thank you to the new subscribers and our old subscribers also. We're building. You know, we're doing stuff. We're just waiting for weather. And then we've got quite a few interesting cars to run. I got my 2-wheeler Slash ready too. So anyway, appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.
Like, is this